How to restore archive emails in Gmail. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually restore archive emails on Gmail. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So I will just show you how you can actually archive and then restore those archive emails from Gmail just by getting straight to the point. So I'll just go ahead and then open up the Gmail app. And let's say that you can see that I'm currently on the primary tab. So on my primary tab, I have some of the emails which I've actually received. So let's say the one from the Twitch. Let's say I want to archive this. So I will just long press on it. I'll long press on this Twitch email and I will select this archive icon at the very top of the screen. Once I select, you can see it says one archive and you can undo them basically right from here. But if you happen to miss this, then it's really a problem, because on Gmail, wherever you go, you can see that we do not have the archive section. So even if I go to settings and you can search all over here, we do not have the archive section as well. So how do we go ahead and then restore those archive emails? So as I said earlier, I was on the primary tab. So you have to actually move from primary tab to all mail. Not all inboxes, but you have to go to all mail. As I said now, just go to all mail, and over here, you'll not be able to distinguish between the one which are archived and which are the unarchived. So instead, you just have to look for the archived one yourself. So in my case, it was basically the Twitch one. So as you can see, the Twitch one is over here. So this is basically an archived email. The reason I know this is archived is because whenever I long press on it and then I tap on the three dots, you'll find this option which says move to inbox. Because this is archived and it has been moved to archive folder and archive places, that's why it has the move to inbox button. But let's say I long press on the other mail right over here, but I tap on the three dots, you can see we do not have the move to inbox option. That is because this mail is actually not archived. So this is actually a little bit of a hassle. I don't know why Google made it so complicated, but you just have to look for the archived mail yourself, because you simply have to go to the all mail section. As I said earlier, you have to go ahead and then archive one of those mails, and if you want to locate them, you just have to locate that mail in the all mail section. Of course, you will not be able to distinguish it right away, but once you long press on it and once you tap on the three dots, you'll find the move to email option, and that could basically mean that particular mail is archived. And this is how you can restore archive emails on Gmail. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.